Shantou Jinbao Practice Industry Company Limited, established in 1999, owing Jinbao and Yoyi brands, is an experienced manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sales, and service of baby feeding products. Practice lunchbox, practice food container, practice water bottle, practice storage canister, compositional airtight box, and practice water jug. We are located in Shantou City, Guangdong Province, with convenient transportation access, covering 4,673 square meters. We have multiple production lines, over 20 sets of professional equipment, and multiple product patterns dedicated to strict quality control system which makes the finished product meet customer requirements before delivery and thoughtful customer service to ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our factory has introduced a series of advanced injection molding machines, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries as Canada, England, Italy, America, Chile, Japan, India, Indonesia, and Malaysia. We have had a good reputation among our customers because of our thoughtful service, quality products, and competitive prices. Except our own products, we provide OEM service and accept customized orders as well. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements. We're glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied product. We warmly welcome you to visit our factory and looking forward to receiving your inquiry soon.